ingredients converge, ready for transformation into soap and shampoo. Homogenization guarantees the smoothest final product.
Precision cutting ensures every bar meets strict size standards.
Shampoo bottles line the shelves, ready for purchase.
The industrial journey transforms into a simple daily ritual.
Maintain the pace. All systems green.
Noted. Loading bay clear.
Precision is key, as raw ingredients are measured for the perfect soap blend.
All ingredients converge, ready for transformation into soap and shampoo.
Mechanical precision ensures every batch is perfectly blended. Fragrant color are integrated with industrial accuracy.
Homogenization guarantees the smoothest final product.
Every batch flows smoothly toward the filling line.
Precision filling ensures each container receive the exact amount.
Wrapping locks in freshness and ensures hygiene.
Every container passes rigorous quality control. Blended and filled, materials await their journey to packaging.
Organized transport keeps production flowing seamlessly. Every container moves efficiently towards secure, hygienic packaging.
Precision cutting ensures every bar meets strict size standards. Shaping and smoothing give each bar a flawless finish.
Empty bottles are precisely prepared for their shampoo contents. Protective wrapping preserves soap quality before shipment. Every day, millions of bars and bottles are born inside one of America's most advanced factories. This is how Dove soap and shampoo are mass-produced, the tree new, from raw ingredients to finished products. Liquid formulations are blended under controlled temperatures, compressed, refined, extruded into perfect bars within seconds. Meanwhile, shampoo formulas are mixed with exact chemical ratios, filtered, stabilized, and bottled at astonishing speeds. Every single day, millions of bars of soap and bottles of shampoo are produced inside facilities like this. Every unit is scanned. Every bottle is weighed. Every bar must pass digital inspection. Shampoo production follows a liquid cooking process.
Purifier enters stainless stabilizers first.
Circuiting. The process begins with raw materials: surfactants, moisturizing agents, fragrance compounds, stabilizers.
Once blended and filtered, the shampoo travels through sealed pipelines to the filling station. Precision nozzles dispense.
Each bottle is filled precisely, maintaining consistency and hygiene.
Caps are secured with mechanical precision, locking in freshness. Every item passes strict quality control before continuing.
Batch codes ensure traceability throughout the supply chain.
Before reaching consumers, products undergo rigorous safety testing.
Manufacturing includes responsible water treatment and purification.
Stability tests confirm performance across varying environments. Modern factories integrate renewable energy to reduce environmental impact. Research never stops. Each formula evolves through scientific refinement. Automation and AI are shaping the future of production.
From one facility, products travel across the world.
From raw materials to responsible innovation, every stage reflects precision, safety, and progress.
Behind the machines, strategic oversight ensures uninterrupted global operations. Supply chains are monitored continuously to prevent disruption.
Predictive analytics prepares the company for unexpected challenges.
Global standards are enforced through continuous auditing.
Strict regulatory frameworks guide every stage of production.
Consumer insights drive product refinement and innovation.
Continuous research ensures evolving performance and safety.
Preparedness protects brand trust and consumer safety.
Future facilities aim for increased efficiency and reduced environmental impact.
Leadership defines the direction of future manufacturing.
Beyond production lies strategy, responsibility, and vision.
In 2050, manufacturing has evolved beyond human limitation. Fully autonomous systems coordinate every operational function.
At the center, an AI core monitors millions of variables per second.
Machines learn, adapt, and self-correct in real time.
Formulas evolve instantly based on global demand patterns.
Waste is eliminated through intelligent circular systems. Defects are predicted before they occur. Inventory moves through vertical smart storage without forklifts. Production responds instantly to global demand shifts.
Human oversight remains fluffy, strategic, not manual.
Maintenance occurs before failure.
Products are tailored to local environmental conditions.
Cartons form swiftly, preparing for soap and shampoo packing. Each carton is filled with care, maintaining product integrity.
Shampoo cartons are filled with precision for safe transport.
Sealed cartons are prepared for safe delivery to warehouses and distributors. Automated palletizers stack cartons efficiently for bulk handling.
The transcription for the provided video scene is, every pallet is arranged perfectly, ready for protective wrapping.
Shrink wrapping ensures cartons remain secure during storage and transport.
Protective wrapping safeguards pallets for storage and delivery.
Labels ensure every pallet is traceable in the supply chain.
Each pallet receives clear identification for efficient inventory management.
Automated forklifts transport pallets efficiently, reducing manual handling.
Precision forklifts maintain order and speed in warehouse storage.
Staging ensures smooth and organized shipment preparation.
Each pallet is positioned for efficient loading and dispatch.
Careful loading guarantees the safe transport of soap pallets.
Every shipment is secured for prompt delivery to distributors.
Finished products begin their journey to distribution centers nationwide. At distribution hubs, shipments are processed for retail allocation.
Automated systems sort products by store location with remarkable precision. Products are reorganized to match the needs of individual retailers.
Final wrapping ensures safe delivery to store locations. Retail-bound shipments depart for supermarkets and pharmacies.
Store teams receive shipments and prepare items for shelf placement.
Items are inspected once more before reaching customers.
Neatly arranged displays attract customers on the sales floor.
Shampoo bottles line the shelves, ready for purchase.
After a long industrial journey, the product finally reaches the consumer.
From factory floor to store shelf, every step ensures quality, safety, and reliability.
The industrial journey transforms into a simple daily ritual.
Formulated for consistency, tested for everyday performance.
Once blended and filtered, the shampoo travels through sealed pipelines to the filling station. Precision nozzles dispense